just in case one of us hits that 1%. Me?
If we do,
Me or one? Come on, let's go.
You
Let's
gotta
hit
split it
this.
with me. You gotta split it with me.
3%.
We're not winning. We're not winning.
No, no, no way, no way, no way, no way.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm crying! I cry every time! I fucking told you! I fucking told you! Oh, I'm overreacting this way too much! Yo, fuck that shit! I was recording too!
Abyss, that was my skin.
I was recording! I'll give your skins back! Okay. Dude, that's pretty fucking hype. Dude! Mikey's about to be like, fuck you!